This video is going to be all about how to do column addition with regrouping. You should already be confident on how to do column addition without regrouping, but if you need a recap, then take a look at our video all about that first. Let's try one together to start with. Can you use your place value chart and counters to represent 542,468 plus 354,216 and write it as a column addition? Your place value chart should look like this, and your column addition should look like this. Have a look at your ones column now. How many ones are there altogether? There are 14 ones in this column, but we can't have more than 9 in one column. Could you regroup these 14 ones into tens and ones? Well done if you noticed that you could regroup 10 of the ones into one 10. Where should this counter move to? That's right, a 10 counter needs to go in the tens column. What do we now have in the ones column? There are 4 ones left in the ones column. How many tens do we now have? There are now 8 tens in the tens column because we regrouped 10 ones. Were the other columns affected? No, the other columns stayed the same. But why were they not affected? That's right, there were less than 10 counters in each one, so no regrouping was needed. Now that we've regrouped our ones using a place value chart, can you use column addition to find the total of the two numbers? Here is what your column addition should look like. Did you remember to show where you regroup the ones and include it in your calculation? Now let's take a look at this addition calculation. Can you use your place value chart and counters to represent this? This is how your place value chart should look now. Can you see any columns that need regrouping? There are 2 columns with more than 10 counters, so these columns will need regrouping. Did you find them? Let's take a look at the tens column first. How many tens can you see? That's right, there are 15 tens altogether here. We can take 10 of them and regroup them as 100. Where should the 100 counter move to? That's right, it needs to go in the hundreds column. In this calculation, this isn't the only column that needs regrouping. Let's have a look at the 10,000s column. How many counters can you see? There are 11 counters here. How many could we regroup together? That's right, we can take 10 of them and regroup them as 100,000, then move this into the 100,000s column. Now it's time to try this with column addition. Can you use your understanding of regrouping to complete this calculation? Your answer should be 716,955. It's time for one last challenge. Have a look at this calculation. Can you find the missing numbers? Why not even time yourself to see how quickly you could do it? Great work! Here's your answer. I hope you found this video useful. We have lots of other maths videos if you need help with anything else. And remember that you can rewind or rewatch this one at any time if you need a little bit of extra help.